So when you run this lawnmower now, Riley, you need to wear a glove.
Okay.
Because the thing blew apart. It kicked back and it cut me.
Alright guys, so welcome to the channel.
That's up front music, not back here music.
Hi, this is Sean Ryan.
Such an angry little head.
Yes. More anger back there. It's gonna be a sad day.
No, there's no, nope.
Well, fine. We'll listen to country.
Oh my god.
Why is it kicking back like that?
Never saw a lawnmower kick back like a 250R.
We need a new handle. You cut me. You fucking cut me.
Let me see your hand. You got a little boo-boo.
Yeah, boo-boo.
Ah, this is what happens. This is what happens. We're gonna have to go see Bill West over at Taylor Rental, get this fixed up.
It wasn't your fault. Come on. You didn't do it.
It's not your fault that the lawnmower broke.
It's not your fault. Come on, we're gonna show you. So when you run this lawnmower now, Riley, you need to wear a glove.
Okay.
Because the thing blew apart. It kicked back and it cut me.
Let's see that cut again.
That's a deep cut.
Yep. It's a bad time.
Bad sign.
Dude, this thing kicked back so hard. There it goes. She's a runner. So Drew, she's just running a little. She's running a little rich.
I just got it started.
Yeah, just run that good.
I didn't even do anything, Drew. I pulled the cord.
So Drew, check this out.
Yeah.
So
You gotta weld it, buddy.
Oh, I gotta weld
where the blade goes, it's stripped out.
It used to be
Okay.
a star.
So it used to be a star. We're gonna TIG weld that blade to here, and we're gonna bolt it back on, and that's what we're gonna do.
Okay, perfect.
And we're gonna order a new one of these. But for today,
It's gonna hit.
we gotta get him. We gotta get him mowing today, so that this place looks less
So
chewy.
when you hear a don't worry about it. It's gonna rub in.
It's good.
It's gonna rub itself in, and then it won't make that noise no more.
Okay.
Okay.
We're
What
gonna,
is it with us and lawnmowers?
It's just like the third one. I mean, we just rub right here for you, buddy.
you're gonna need a.
Riley, you're not
Heavy-duty
gonna get
glove.
that far without a blade. I wouldn't be like your mowing.
All right, let's go, Drew. You got
Okay, let's
welding
weld this.
to do, buddy.
Okay, let's
Okay,
go all.
let's get this
All
done.
you do is can sit around and mean nothing. What to do?
Okay.
Do you know what way you gotta weld it? Pretty self-explanatory.
Oh, this way?
No.
That's where it was.
No.
Just like that?
No, I don't know, Drew.
Yeah.
Are
Timmy,
you sure?
so you see where the wear marks are right
Oh,
here?
I see the wear marks.
I guess I'd weld it right where the wear marks are like that.
But if that blade's upside down and you weld it, we're screwed.
Oh, it's okay. Okay. Yeah, Riley will just mow upside down.
Okay.
Okay,
Weld her up.
lawnmower expert, where would you weld this?
Make it slant it a little bit, you know.
Should I sandblast it or just weld it?
Stainless filler.
Okay.
We're still bolting it with a washer. We just gotta
so don't
fuse
go
that
that
to
in.
there.
Okay.
So you can weld around that
I'm just gonna
flat, and we'll grind it down.
I'm just gonna sand it then.
This is what happens.
So it wasn't my fault.
No, it's not. It's not your fault. I'm just grumpy.
More customers swing arms without blade.
You gotta understand, we just talk like that because we're stressed out. Look at that beautiful swing arm. So what we're doing here, a little acetone?
I'm just gonna weld it and see what happens. Is this even gonna... That'll ground.
It'll be fine.
Yeah. Wondering, see what's gonna happen to this grass in the blade.
Might catch fire, I don't know.
Yeah. Timmy, you might have to put out fire. Okay. Okay, you ready?
Nah, I'm good.
But I am anyway. You want me to just run a bead now?
Just do your best, you know?
Okay.
Look at that. Those beautiful welds. Giving this thing some love. Oh, man.
Held my breath for that one.
I mean, that's a pretty good weld considering the circumstances. So you're gonna sharpen this thing up and...
What if we put it around that side?
Yeah, you might as well.
To be safe, you know?
Just sandblast it real quick.
Okay.
We'll just do a couple tacks. It's gonna be hot, just don't grab that spot.
Just don't grab the weld.
Back up.
This is just another day, trying to get the day going. You got haul bikes sleeping in the parking lot, and now we're fixing lawnmowers. Not even, what, 8 o'clock yet? Or is it 8?
Like 8:30.
8:30. There we go. Let that vacuum suck the dust out. All right, back to the welder.
Drew, you know what's going on right now? Put the swing arm over there.
You only got a few to do.
We got priorities right now, Drew.
One more time again?
Yep. Make it nice and clean.
You missed some paint right here.
Oh wow.
Timmy, you only sandblasted one side.
It's like when he does the frames.
Well, shit happens.
Just
That paint right there.
Yeah,
a little bit here, a little bit there.
Oh, okay.
Call it good. Yep.
Sounds good.
Try it.
Yeah, it's not.
Actually, I mean, do that all the way around.
Dude, I really don't know what kind of metal that is.
Yeah, it doesn't want to be welded.
It's.
Somewhere someone's shaking their head in disapproval. I'm gonna weld through this paint too while I'm at it.
So when you breathe in this zinc plating, as Scott would say, you go home, you drink some milk, and you lay in bed.
You got any milk?
And it makes you feel better. Cool. He's really tuning it up today.
Just like butter. Hit the other side.
No, you did half of it. There we go.
Wrench from 14, buddy.
Trained professional fixing a lawnmower.
Well, I gotta sit down here.
Sitting Bill West style. You gotta get some cardboard out. It's-
Yeah. Ah!
Look at that. Line the keyway up and send her. Oh man, this thing is ready to rock and
Why
roll.
is that so loose like that, though?
What?
That belt.
That's for the soft propel, I think.
Mm.
Oh god, he welded where the... Oh no.
No, we're gonna go right through. Don't worry about it.
I don't think we are.
We are.
No, it's gonna strip that. No, we gotta get a drill bit.
Pull it. You gotta pull it like a man.
Ready to mow?
Go right there, and then we'll move the truck and stuff. Good job. Right there, so my little baby Riley.
We're good. We're good to go.
It's good.
Okay, back to making parts. Unreal. Dude, we gotta get rid of this teal colored door here. Color of the old Dakota. Couple swing arms done here, ready to ship out. Little update on the 2020 Kawasaki. Just waiting on the front wheel setup, and that's gonna be put together. We're gonna be finishing the subframe, getting those kits on the website pretty soon. Over here we got a 2012 YZ450 coming together. Just got the powder coat done for the case covers. Old gunmetal gray action. Super clean looking color. CR500 project with the aluminum frame conversion, going with the Pantera electric start kit. Super impressed with the quality, excited to get this build done. It's gonna be finished up over the next couple weeks. Stay tuned for this guy. Little prep in action. Look at you. This is a very interesting video that I'm doing today. Everything from lawnmowers to running a lathe and grinding parts, so see what happens. Just getting your orders together.
Yes, I am.
Swing arm, swing arm, swing arm, another swing arm. This might be a swing arm too. Triples, probably a swing arm on the bottom. Look at that thing. Running like a champ. Might as well move this guy right now. There we go.
So far.
Gloves or no gloves?
You gonna do the Michael Jackson one-hand glove kind of thing?
No. No, I'm just gonna punch you.
Oh,
Right in the mouth.
boxing gloves.
Over and over.